Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is Tian, and in this video I'm going to talk about appearance. So appearance is one of the most important tab in WordPress dashboard because in appearance we will see tons of things that you can do like themes, customize, widgets, menus, background, theme editor. So these are very useful options when you are actually going out there and making a theme for yourself, a custom theme. So the very first thing you will see in appearance is themes. So by default, when you install WordPress in your local host or in your hosting platform, by default you will get these four uh, themes. The themes are named by the year 2020. So this three was from previous 3 years, 2019, 2017, and 2016. So basically, by default, I am getting 2020 active because we are only couple of days away from 2020. So if we see this, we can see that this is by the WordPress team, and if you check this out, this is by the WordPress team as well. So if I go to the site, the theme that's behind this WordPress website is the theme 2020. So this is as simple as it. So you can actually add new theme by clicking this add new, and you can see a lot of options here. Here you will see all the featured themes, and if you click on popular, you can see all the popular ones, and here you will see all the latest ones, and you can also add some filter here, like if you want blog and if you want footer widgets, custom colors, and if you want one column. And after applying these four filters, WordPress will eventually give you back the themes that have matched your criterias. So that's kind of cool. So this is how you can check the all the latest themes out there that people are using right now. And whenever you click on something, it will give you a preview, so that you can get a guess of how the theme actually looks. So this is all about themes. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is customizer. So customizer is one of the very important features of WordPress. So if I click on this, you can see just another WordPress site. It has brought me to this portion, and if I just write to, you can see the page refreshed by itself, and it's showing me just another WordPress site too. And if I write anything else, you can see that you don't have to do anything by yourself, that the WordPress manages this automatically, so that it actually gives a better user experience. Because when the end user is using a WordPress website, he doesn't know how to code and he doesn't know how to change anything. So he can use this customizer, and he can basically use anything he wants. So I can do anything from here. So the color is right now this, and if I check on this and click on this, the color will be instantly changed into this color I have chosen. So this is very simple and very self-explanatory, and you can do tons of things with this. You can twerk with the site identity, the colors, the theme options, the cover template, the background image, menus, widgets, whatnot. So you can basically do tons of things. We will see more of this later when we are actually working with customizer. So just to let you know, there is an option called customizer that you can use for your betterment. So just let's just leave that. So there are tons of widgets that you can use when you are actually making a theme. This is the by default widgets that you will get with WordPress, like archives, audio, calendar, categories, custom HTML gallery, so on, so on. So in this website, you can see there is three widgets in the footer. There is search, recent posts, and recent comments. So let's check our website. If I go to here and click on visit site, it will give me the site I have created with WordPress. So if I go below, you can see there is a search bar, there is recent posts, and there is recent comments, just like this. So this is basically our footer. And if I click on this, you can see on footer 2 we have archives, categories, meta. We have archives, categories, meta. So if I just remove one of these, you can see that this thing will change here as well. If I refresh this, you can see that there won't be meta here anymore. So the meta has disappeared. So this is as simple as it is. So you can use all these things if you want, whenever you need. So let's close this one and this one. So we have menu. We can create menu from here. We can just write anything here, and thus we can create menu so that you can have your own custom menu in your WordPress website. So let's cross that as well. So next one is background. If I want to select any image, currently I do not have any image, but if I wanted to choose an image, I can just select here and upload an image and select that for this website. So this is as simple as it is. So let's close that one as well. And last but not the least, this is the style sheet. Okay, let's cross this one. um, let's open this one again. This is a theme editor, and if I want to see what's behind the theme editor and what codes are running in the background, I can see from here. So let's give it some time for loading. uh, it's been slow for a while. Okay, I understand. Let's click I understand, and here you can see all the things. You can see, you can edit if you want, but do know, with every action here there will be a consequences. So you have to be careful with this style sheet and everything here, even with the 404 template, comments, PHP. So I'll talk more about these things later. What is 404 template and what is comments.php? So I will talk about these things later in my videos in this series. So that's about it in my appearance section. So that's about it. So we are left with plugins, users, tools, and settings, and I will cover those things in my next 4 videos. And after that, I will be done with the WordPress dashboard, so that you can actually carry yourself in the WordPress theme development, and I will then dive into more advanced stuff. So before the advanced stuff, this is just the overview of what we are going to deal with in next couple of days. So yeah, so I think this is pretty simple, and you did not have any problems understanding anything. If you have, just let me know in the comment section so that I can reply back to you, and I can get I can just solve it anyway. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.